So yesterday I received this Geekom Mini PC. I don't know who actually sent this to me because there is no documentation whatsoever and nobody have emailed me stating that they want to send this for review or whatnot. So let's have a look what's inside. Looking at the website, it doesn't look like it's a professional computer company. The website feels like somebody cobbled something together during their spare time. This unit is supposed to be $550 US with 512 gig of SSD memory and 16 gigs of RAM. It also comes with Windows 11 Pro Edition, which is something that's unheard of at this price. So let's see what's inside this. You can see the spec here. Okay, see what's inside. It's packaged nicely. Oh, there's a case. Oh, yeah. Wow. This handbag thingy, this pouch, can be used to storage the mini PC when I don't need it. Nice. Power cord. HDMI to HDMI cable. Power supply. With a nice design too. Extra screws. Manual. Oh, it's a clear manual for a change, because usually these type of PCs don't have nice looking manual. Yeah, this is good. VESA mounting kit. So I can put this behind here and connect it to PC monitor. Let's see what's inside here. Wow. Very nicely built with lots and lots of connectors. That is a Kensington lock compatible. There's power supply here, display port, Ethernet, USB 3, HDMI, USB-C. Can put SD card here. On the other side is another solid state USB 3 again, power button, and the outlet for speakers slash microphone. Let's see what's inside this unit. So we're just opening the bottom. So now you just have to open up the bottom part. Ta-da! You can see the Kingston RAM there. Oh, Kingston SSD as well. So I'm gonna put this hard drive into the mini PC. You just need to put this in, right? I guess that's it. So when you're done, Just have to close back the lid, remove these rubber thingies on 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Screw it on. And you're done. It takes a lot less than 10 seconds to have this operating system to boot up. And as mentioned earlier, it comes with Windows 11 Pro Edition. It plays 4K movies without a hitch, and even editing 4K YouTube videos, the simple ones of course, it's done without any problem whatsoever. All in all, for my personal use, I highly recommend this unit. Price, maybe it's a little bit on a high side, but if it's a good unit, I don't mind paying for it. After all, the mini form factor and the silent running of this computer are the major selling point, and it does its job very well. So, why not? So what do you think about this video or this computer? Please leave your comment down below, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.